In this video, you will learn how to change your currency on Qatar Airways website. Go to the Qatar Airways website, then sign in. Open the official Qatar Airways website in your browser, then log in if you need to. Locate the currency drop down in the top right corner. Look for a currency code like USDC, Euros or Qatar. Near the top right of your homepage it will appear. Click the currency menu and it will open a list. This will reveal a list of all available currencies based on your location or preference. Choose your preferred currency from the list. Select your currency you'd like to use, such as common choices include Great British Pound, US Dollar, Euro and more. Apply or confirm the selection. The website will now update all your prices and fares using your selected currency. Refresh the page to ensure it updates properly. Refreshing the site can help apply new currencies across all pages. Now you know how to change currencies on Qatar Airways website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.